So it is very simple, na? It is very simple. It is 60 up, sorry, 25 upon 60 into 100. Get the answer. 20 is the mass of solute and volume of solution is 60 into 100. You are muted, Anam.
So 41.6.
41.6. Okay, you got 0 with 0. Okay, you will bet 25.6 into 10. You will get 16. 6 fours are 24. 24 point something. Okay, then you will get 1, then you will get 10, then 41. Okay, and then it will be 10, then 4, and then 0, 46. So it will be 40 when you multiply by 10. This decimal will shift to this one, 41.6%. Calculate mass by mass. Mass by mass percentage, please. Calculate the mass by mass. Saad, calculate the mass by mass percentage. You are muted, Saad. Note it down, please.
I think mass by mass percentage 25.
Mass by mass percentages.
25.
That is simple. You have to add 25 upon 75 into 100. That is the mass of solution, not the mass of solvent. So you cut it, you will get 1 by 3. It is 33.33%. Now calculate the solubility, please. Calculate the solubility, please. What is the formula for solubility? Sarah, what is the formula for solubility? Tell me the formula for solubility. What is the formula for solubility? The previous class we have studied this one, solubility. Mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 100. Now calculate it. Done. What is the mass of solvent here? What is the mass of solvent here? Tell me what is the mass of solvent? Hmm? Nobody is going to answer me this question. You know the mass of solution, you know the mass of solute. Can't you tell me the mass of solvent? What is mass of solution? Mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Then try to tell me the mass of solvent. What is the mass of solvent here?
50.
50. Simple. Mass of solution is 75 gram. Mass of solute is 25. Subtract it. Solution when subtracted from solute when subtracted from the mass of solution, you will get 50 and it is the mass of solvent. Put the values and get the answer. 25 is the mass of solute and mass of solvent is 50. Cut it. You will get 1 by 2. Done? Sorry, not 1 by 2. It will be 50%. 1 by 2 into you cut it, you will get 50 twos and you will get 50%. We don't write percent here. It is 50 only. Solubility is 50. Done?
Yes, sir.
Revise in your copy. I'm going to ask you the difference between compounds and element, compound and mixture, and first this one you have to tell me. Second is uh, different type of different types of colloidal solution. Third is different type of colloidal solution, and difference between colloids and true solution. Revise it in your copy, and then I'm going to ask you. Hanan, please turn on camera. Yes, do it, please. Done? Revised?
Just 2 minutes.
Hmm. Okay, done? I don't know where I have written. Okay, yes, you, Sarah, tell me what is the difference between compounds and mixtures?
Sir, compounds are in the constituents in compounds don't show can be separated by simple physical methods such as
Compound can be
filtration, evaporation.
compound can be separated.
No, can't be separated.
So can be separated. Okay.
And mixtures can be separated by simple physical methods such as filtration, evaporation, cooling. And
Good.
there is a fixed formula and a fixed melting point and boiling point in compounds, and there is no fixed formula, melting point, or boiling point in mixtures.
Yes, you, Anam, what is the main difference between colloids and true solution?
Yes, sir.
What is the main difference between colloids and true solution?
A true solution is an homogeneous mixture of two or more substances, while a colloid is a material in which one material is suspended by another in another solution in another by insoluble particles.
Yes, you, Hanan.
Yes, sir.
What is colloids? What is the main difference between colloids and true solution? What is the main difference between colloids and true solution?
Colloidal solutions are heterogeneous, while true solutions are homogeneous and
Why they are homogeneous and why they are heterogeneous? Why colloids
uh,
are heterogeneous and and true solutions are homogeneous? Why?
because they cannot mix properly in true solutions.
Yes, you, Samia, tell me the answer.
So a true solution is a homogeneous mixture because in it substances of two or more elements are mixed in it. And so a colloid is a mixture in which one material is suspended in another by and are scattered in insoluble particles.
No. Yes, you, Saad, turn on your camera. Saad, are you there? Yes, tell me what is the main difference between true solution and colloids?
So the true solution is a homogeneous mixture, while colloids are heterogeneous mixture. In the true solutions, the particles don't settle down, and in colloids, the particle
In colloids also the particle do not settle down.
yeah. Yeah, in true solution, it does not catch the beam of light, and does not stand as beam of light, while in colloids It scatters the beam solution.
Nobody is going to answer me the correct answer. That is, yes, you, Sarah.
Sir, the main difference between colloids and a true solution is that in true solution, it does not scatter the beam of light, and in colloids, it does scatter the beam of light.
Simple. This is the main reason. True solution scatter the beam, do not scatter the beam of light. Mean the path of light is not visible. While in colloidal solution, the path of light is visible. The path of light is visible. Why? Because they scatter the beam of light. Like for example, you take a freshly prepared mixtures of sugar and water. You mix it well. If the sugar is pure quality, do not have impurities, then it is very simple that it will not scatter the beam of light. If you pass the beam, the path of light will not be visible to the sugar solution or the salt solution. But if you have water and you add a few drop of milk, only a drop, 1 or 2 drop of milk to it, then you will notice that the path of light, it will be visible to it. Let me show you one more time here so that you can understand it much betterly what I'm saying here. What is mean by path of light. So just a minute. Let me show you. Other properties are same. Colloid particle do not settle down. True solution particle do not settle down. Colloid particles are not visible with naked eyes. The true solution particles are not visible with naked eyes. True solution and both the particles of true solution and colloids cannot be separated by filter paper. Okay. So that day I was just explaining you this one. Okay. That you can check it here. That if you have these particles, you will feel that here. Okay. And here the first solution is going to have pure water right now. And then both of them in both the glasses, the light is not visible. The path of light is not visible because they both have true solution. Okay. But when you add a few drop of milk to it, milk is a colloid. So the particle of milk, okay, when you pass the milk, okay, to this one, you will see that the path of light is visible. Here in between also, you see that the path of light is not visible here because it is fresh air. Okay. Here the path of light is not visible because it is having fresh air in the room. Okay. No dust particles. Otherwise, if there are dust particle, then it will be visible. But here it is not visible because there is no dust here. And here the true solution, why the path of light is not visible? Because the particle is so small that it will not let the light to scatter. But here the path of light is visible because the particle size is big enough that it will scatter the beam of light. So the colloidal solution form true solution. Okay. The colloidal solution scatter the beam of light while the true solution do not scatter the beam of light. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So note it down. Note it down. Note the difference in your own words. The main difference between colloids and true solution. Note in your own words. Note in your own words, please. Done? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the main difference between the compound? Sorry. Yes. What is the main difference between element and compounds? Elements and compound. Yes, you Saad. Saad, you need to answer me this question. What is the main difference between elements and compounds? What is the main difference between elements and compounds? Saad, your voice is not audible. What is the main difference between elements and compounds? You still you are not audible to me. Tell me fast. What is the main difference between elements and compounds? Hmm? Do you have the proper notes in your copy? Show me your notes, please. With the back camera, please try to show me your notes. Saad, show me your notes, please. With the back camera. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. Okay. Why you are not able to answer this if it is written in your copy? Two solution and colloids. Another page. Numerical sections of mass by mass percentage, mass by volume percentage. Where it is? Show me the questions with the back camera. I'm not saying about the revision. I'm saying show me your notebook. Whether you have done or not. I teach you in the class now, then you have to write that in the copy. So show me it. Next. Okay, yes, you Mohammed Rafe, please show me your copy. Rafe, please show me your copy with the back camera, please.
Sir, I'm on a computer.
You?
Sir, I'm on a computer.
I'm on a computer. Okay, you have to send me the by clicking the notes with photo. Okay, then I will check it. Okay, after the class is going to end. So here, the main difference between molecule, sorry, the compound and the element is that element is going to have only one kinds of atoms. Elements and element is going to have only one kinds of atoms. Like for examples, iron is an element that consists of only one kinds of atoms. Element cannot be simplified further. Means we cannot break the elements into two or more new substance. For example, if you have an iron strip, you can break the atoms. Means the atoms are bonded. You can separate them, but you cannot make them into new substance by even by physical method or even by chemical method. But here, if you have compound are the when two or more elements chemically combine together, like hydrogen element and oxygen element. When they combine together, they form water molecule. This is the water molecule that is going to have more two different kinds of atoms. Okay, and they are chemically combined together. They cannot be separated by simple physical method, but they can be separated, or a new substance can be formed from this water. Hydrogen and oxygen can be formed by when you pass electricity. Like this is water. When you pass electricity to it, then it will gives you H2 plus O2. Okay, so here you see that new substance is formed. The new substance we are obtaining, or we can say that from water or in a compound can be broken into two or more simpler substances. Okay, compound can be broken into two or more simpler substances by chemical methods. But element cannot be broken. If you have iron strip, it is iron. Iron, if you hammer it, if you pass it in, means you cannot simplify it further. Okay, understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's have some questions over this topic. Here we have a question. Please try to solve it. It is from NCERT. You have to solve it. Try to solve this question. First note it. First note this one in your copy, and then try to solve it. Try to solve it, please.
Sir, 26.4.
26.4.
Sir, I got 26.47.
Okay, Hanan, you got 26.47.
Sir, I got
I
Samia.
got Samia. Okay, Hanan, your answer. And Sara, your. And you, other students.
26.47%.
You have 36 grams of sodium chloride. And it dissolved in 100 grams of water at 393 Kelvin. Find the concentration at this temperature. This is mass by mass percentage, that is called concentration terms. Okay. So you divide this one and you got the answer. You do the like this way, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What do you
Yes, sir.
what answer did you get?
26.47.
26.4. Everyone got this same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Note this one and this question, and what you need to do here is you have to note down their solution name, colloidal solution name, the colloid's name. Tell me. Check they write down their colloid's name, please. Note it fast. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Liquid plus gases. What is it?
Sir, aerosol.
Aerosol. Solid plus gas.
Aerosol. Smoke.
It is here example is liquid plus gas examples. Fog. Solid plus gas is also aerosol. And it is an example of like a smoke. Okay. Gas plus liquid.
Foam.
Gas plus liquid is foam. Liquid plus liquid.
Emulsion. Emulsion.
Emulsion. Solid plus liquid.
Solution.
Yes, any other? Solids plus liquid. Anam, you there in the class?
Soul.
Anam, are you there? Solid plus liquid is soul. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solid plus liquid is soul. Gas plus solid. Gas plus solid. Tell me.
Is it solid, sir?
It is also form. It is also form. Liquid plus this one. Liquid plus solid. Liquid
Gel.
plus solid. Gel. And solid plus solid is solid sol. Okay. You understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Done, everyone? Noted this one? If you forgot this one, you have to please remember the examples also. Okay. Keep, we have done this one in the copy and you have to keep in mind that you have to write the answers and learn the examples also for this one. Okay. For everyone. Do it please fast. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Okay. Next. Next question. Just a minute. Here we have classify the following change as physical change or a chemical change. Classify the following change as physical change or chemical change. Note it down. Which of the following is physical and which of the following is chemical? Try to solve it, please. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me which of the following is physical change or which of the following is chemical change here. Yes, orally tell me. Cutting of trees is chemical or physical?
Sir, physical.
Physical. Okay. Melting of butter in a pan is
Physical.
Physical.
rusting of almirah.
Chemical. Chemical.
Okay. Boiling of water to steam.
Physical.
Physical. Passing of electric current through water and breaking down into hydrogen and oxygen.
Chemical.
Chemical.
Dissolving salt in water is
Physical.
physical change. Making fruit salad with raw fruits,
Physical.
physical. Because all of them are going to show their properties after the change also, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thanks for coming.
Thanks, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you,
Take
sir.
care. Hello, Mariam. How are you? I'm audible to you.
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine. Just a minute. Let me update the topic. Done? Sorry, Mariam and Zainab, please turn on the camera.
Yes, sir.
So in the previous class, we were studying what?
The pH, we answered this question. Does the basic solutions also have H plus ions?
Okay, so revise that we have studied in the previous class for 2 or 3 minutes. Then we shall be going to ask you I am going to ask you the question from the last topic. Okay. My earbuds are down. Okay, just a minute. Let me plug in for the charging.